My name is Jacob Arbanas, and I went to school here from 2016 to 2017 under Jeremy Ulmer's electrical program. My classroom experience was excellent. The classes are being taught by real contractors, real licensed professionals. I was given the opportunity to work under the OJT program. It was a wonderful experience being able to take everything that I learned in the classroom and be able to apply it on the job. The staff of the school is extremely friendly and very helpful. Before I had the opportunity to go to this wonderful school, I just exited out of the military. I was going to a community college. Shortly through a couple semesters there, I realized that the career paths that I was looking for was in a different setting of learning, and that's exactly what RIVEROAK is. It's one of its kind. I entered into the college in 2016, and I selected the electrical program. If it wasn't for everything that RIVEROAK's given me in the past couple years, I probably wouldn't be in this position I am today. I work in a machine shop. I wouldn't have had that opportunity of acquiring that job if it wasn't for the people I've met in the school